Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're actually going to go for a virtual hike in the woods. Let's go. This is a virtual hike in the woods. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to reflect it on you. Okay. This can be dangerous because there's a lot of poison ivy. I'm savage. I can handle poison ivy, even if it bit me on the lip. So yeah. Die! Stupid plants. Okay. Wearing shorts right now. It's over here. I never checked over here. Oh. They abandoned over here. They came in over there, and then they abandoned it. That means its whole trail is full of plants. They left the trail. It means this place is all full of these plants. They're everywhere. It's just like walking through snow, but at least it's plants. So yeah. It's only been 2 minutes out here. We gotta spend some time out here. Over there, that's the I remember going over there when I was very little. It's like a nature trail. Leads to the house next door. I'm gonna go back, but I'm still gonna explore some other things. I found like this go-kart a long time ago right there, and I gave it to my old friend, so yeah. That's why there's nothing there. Hello, what's this? It's like a remaining thing for a camera. Never seen this before. This is a bit odd. And somebody came down here, took a picture, but then the camera smashed. I don't even know what that is, but I ain't going farther. The whole trail grew in. This is crazy. It's all grown in. See if that other spot's cleared in, grown in. I used to go around here, over there, but the thing is, it's all grown in. You cannot even go anywhere, basically. The only way to go is this way. But it's the most dangerous path to take, because you have that whole section that it's hard to get through. It's all woods over there. But I mean, this tree, this plant growing out of this tree. It's cool. I remember a while ago, why did I throw the remaining piece of the camera? I remember a long time ago, there was golf balls in the woods because the person before us used to golf. It was their first ball. I mean, it would be pretty cool if there was a backstory behind this ball. That'd be pretty awesome. Another ball right there, but I ain't picking that one up. Looks all destroyed. Here's a funny story, actually. I found like a lobster piece, like a piece of a lobster right here one time, and the next day, my dog was chewing on it, which was my old dog, which is now passed away, R.I.P. But my dog was chewing on it. We threw it into the woods. 2 hours later, she grabs it again. It's just like, what the heck? Why do you keep grabbing this? It's just like, it's funny though. It really is. Let's go put that stuff back by the clubhouse. Man. Ugh. It's a nail right here. A nail. This tree. I remember throwing that tree into the woods. It fell down and took me a while, but I did it one shot. I'm gonna try to get that thing that's over there. It's like a deflated ball. It's like all cleared in by woods though. It's the only problem. And look at that. Briars everywhere. Look at all it. Look at all of them. Oh, jeez, I'm not going in there because I don't want to have to deal with those motherfuckers. Although, jeez. I'm allergic to poison ivy, but who gives a fuck? Son of a bitch. I stepped on a briar. Which this one jammed in my foot. I have to limp back. Take it out of my foot. Shit. Hurts like a bastard. Shit. Hurts so bad. I was able to pull it out, but still. By the way, where did I even get that thorn? I have to look around. I wasn't even looking. Got her around here because I was looking over there. But thing is, woods is cleared in, and it's hard to even go around and everything. I mean, we're gonna try to find a way to the other side of the woods if it takes all day. Well, not all day, but if it takes an hour or so, we'll try to find a way. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get to the other side of the woods. Wonder if that has to do with anything. I almost stepped on a briar. Good thing I saw that one. Ow. That would have hurt. Maybe a way to get to the other side of the woods is to follow this trail right here. Yeah, that ain't worth it. Oh, man. So far, we've made it through a little bit of the woods, although I cannot seem to find a way to get to the other side of the woods so you guys can see what it looks like. The only way is over that hill, but the hill is full of briars and everything, so yeah, it's gonna be a pain getting over, literally a pain in the ass to even walk through here. Maybe we can go through here. Briars. Right there. We're gonna have to walk around that. Holy. Look at that. Look at that. That looks painful to even go near. I don't even want to go near it. Whoa, what the fuck? There's a huge ass hole right here. Holy. Looks like a groundhog hole. Do you see that? Do you see that? What the fuck? It's a huge ass hole. Means whatever went down there is something big. Jesus. Oh man. Okay. We made it back. But that hurt. Stepping on that briar, that was like pain. Branch here. What's that? Detached. Jesus, there's ants all over it. Look at that. This is inside my clubhouse. It's actually dark right now. You can see that it's clearer if you go in here. Oh, there's the camera. This is all the burnt stuff over the years. Stuff that got burnt, all the ash. Even whatever the hell that is. It's all black for a reason. That means it's been burnt. Got these things, poles sticking into the ground. There's a hole right there. There's a hole right there. Jeez. That must have been a Philbin hole. Means there was holes everywhere. Why would there be holes everywhere? What is this? It's a tree. Rest one, I should say. One with our golf ball. 2. Oh my god. We found 1 and 2 of the golf balls. It's crazy. Maybe we should keep looking. We found... My camera's only allowing me to do like 2 more minutes of Into the Woods. I'm gonna pause it until I find something. Okay, I'm going to put the camera. Can't see anything. Nothing at all. It's just pitch black down in that hole. Oh, my foot's tangled. I think we should come out of the woods. So guys, we only found 2 things in the woods, but hopefully I found something awesome. Next time I do that, and it'll be awesome. It really would be. It'd be awesome. Would be. Fuck. That was strange.